discuss the current affairs for UPSC prelims examination for the entire week. Okay, so guys, these weekly sessions are very important because this will be like a revision for the entire week. I'll be picking some important topics from every day and I'll be categorizing into subject wise and I'll be discussing with you. So do not miss this weekly sessions. Okay, guys. So what I will do is that I'm going to start with environment. Okay, I'll be selecting some of the important environment current affairs for this week which have high probability to come in the examination. Okay, so good evening everyone. Okay, I hope you can hear me. Okay, please do consider giving a thumbs up to this live session, guys. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe and please do share this with your friends, okay, who are not aware of this channel, because in this channel every day we are discussing current affairs. Guys, current affairs is one of the most important, okay, part of your prelims preparation. If you are weak in current affairs, you will never clear the prelims examination. If you follow this current affairs initiative, you need not join any current affairs crash course. Okay, just stay with me and I'm going to help you master the current affairs. Okay, let us start. So guys, this week a very important elephant, okay, very important elephant population estimate has come. The name of the estimate is called Synchronized All India Elephant Estimation. Synchronized All India Elephant Estimation. Generally this estimation is held every 5 years. Okay, this estimation is held every 5 years. So this estimation, which is called the Synchronized All India Elephant Estimation, is very unique. Why this 2025 estimation is unique? This is unique. Why? Because this is DNA based. Yes, WII. Okay, very good. Okay, it is DNA based. It is DNA based. This is very important, guys. So what are the highlights of this estimation? Okay, the highlight is that number of elephants have decreased from 2017, where it was 29,000. The number of elephants have reduced to 22,000. Okay, so from 29,000 elephants have reduced to 22,000. Okay, this is very important. And guys, in this estimation, lot of techniques have been used. What are the techniques which have been used? It is called dung count, sample count, water hole count. Okay, dung count, sample count, okay, water hole count. These are the techniques which are used for estimation of elephant population. Okay, remember these techniques. These are given in today's Hindu newspaper. This is very important, guys. So you know, guys, that in this estimate, Western Ghats, okay, Western Ghats region has the highest number of elephants in the country. Okay, after Western Ghats, the second highest region is the northeastern India. Okay, second highest region is the northeastern India, and then we have the, okay, central and the northern region. Okay, so this is very important. Western Ghats has the highest number of elephants in India, Western Ghat region. And state wise, Karnataka has the highest number of elephants. Okay, state wise, Karnataka has the highest number of elephants. So you may get question on these trends, or you may get question about these facts. They can frame questions as these facts. They may just frame questions, okay, like consider the following statement regarding elephant population in India. They will say that elephants population has declined in the last 5 years. The statement will be yes. Second, guys, which state has the highest number of elephant? Karnataka has the highest number of elephant. Then which region in India has the highest number of elephant? We have the highest number of elephant is in the Western Ghats. Guys, what is happening is that because of man-animal conflict, this, okay, lot of elephants are getting killed. Man-animal conflict is a very important thing which you need to remember. Okay, guys, let us now move on to the next topic, guys. Next topic, okay, elephant, guys. What is the status of elephant, guys? It is Schedule 1 species. What is the IUCN status of elephants in India? Can anybody tell me what is the IUCN status of elephants in India? It is endangered. It is Schedule 1 species. Elephants are called national heritage animal. Elephants are called, guys, national heritage animal. Okay, very important. Write down, guys, national heritage animal. Which is the national heritage animal? Elephants are national heritage animal. This is very important. This is very important. National heritage animal Okay, endangered, okay, schedule 1 species. Okay, let us move on to the next topic, guys. Next topic, Sundarbans have been recognized by FAO. So Sundarbans aquaculture, which is practiced in some parts of Sundarbans, okay, they have been recognized as the global tech recognition of FAO. Global tech recognition of FAO. So guys, some parts of Sundarbans, okay, they are using the aquaculture. They are using aquaculture, okay, in the mangroves of the Sundarbans. So guys, this has been recognized by the FAO global tech recognition. Global tech recognition. This has been recognized, okay, by FAO global tech recognition. This is very, very important. You may get a question on Sundarbans. Guys, remember Sundarbans are the largest mangroves in the world. It is the only mangroves where we see Bengal tiger. It is the only mangroves which we can see Bengal tiger. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? This topic is clear, guys. Sundarbans. Sundarbans. Okay, guys, very, very important. Sundarbans. Sundarbans are a Ramsar site. Okay, Sundarbans are a Ramsar site. Sundarban is a UNESCO site, heritage site also. Okay, so Sundarbans is a very, very important site, guys. You may get a question on Sundarbans. Very, very important. Let us now move on to the next topic, guys. Next important current affairs topic from environment is IUCN World Conservation Congress, which is happening in Abu Dhabi. Guys, IUCN, okay, IUCN World Conservation Congress happening in Abu Dhabi, guys. Every 4 years, IUCN World Conservation Congress is held. So this year it is happening in Abu Dhabi. So guys, this is very, very important because this year they have adopted a 20-year, they have adopted a 20-year plan. They have adopted a 20-year vision plan. So this is going to be very, very important for IUCN. Guys, IUCN is it is important because it comes out with the red list, and the red list is one of the favorite topics of UPSC. So IUCN organization can be one question which can be asked, guys. Where is the headquarter of IUCN? Can anybody tell me, guys? Where is the IUCN of headquarter? Someone is saying Sonali Ghosh has been awarded as the Kenton Award. Yes, Kenton Millen Awards. This is also very important. Okay, Kaziranga director has been awarded the award. Okay, IUCN award. This is also very important. We will come to that. We'll come to that. Don't worry. Let us first focus on what we are discussing here. Okay, so what we are discussing here is IUCN. IUCN headquarter is in Switzerland. Okay, it is in Switzerland. It is basically having membership not only from the governments but also from the local NGO organizations. Okay, NGO organizations are also the member of IUCN. IUCN comes out with the red list. This is very, very important, guys. Okay, so guys, for the first time IUCN has come out with a vision plan, 20-year vision plan, and for the first time it has said that fossil fuel and pet trade, okay, pet trade, animal pet trade, okay, lot of exotic animals are kept as pets. Lot of exotic animals are kept as pets, okay, and fossil fuels are responsible for decline in biodiversity. This is for the first time they have acknowledged fossil fuels and they have acknowledged pet trade. Okay, so guys, you need to prepare the list of exotic species. You need to prepare a list of exotic species which are used as pets. Okay, can you name any exotic species, guys, which are used as pets in India by few people? Can you name them, guys? Pets, exotic species which are used as pets. Okay, have you heard about, guys? Okay, have you heard about star tortoise? Okay, guys, very, very important. You can just go through that. This is very, very important. Okay, star tortoise you can prepare. Okay, cites you can prepare. Cites, okay, cites you can prepare. CITS, cites also you can prepare. Cites also you can prepare. This is very, very important. You may get a question on cites. You can prepare a question on cites. Okay, they may ask you. Okay, next, guys, I was going through, okay, World Heritage Outlook Report. World Heritage Outlook Report. Can anybody tell me, guys, World Heritage Outlook Report is brought out by which organization? This week there was the World Heritage Outlook Report. World Heritage Outlook Report is brought out by IUCN. It is brought out by IUCN, guys. So under this report, guys, there were, okay, few protected areas which were mentioned. Which are those protected areas which are mentioned? So there are 3 protected areas which are significant concern list. Okay, they were listed in significant concern list. Which are these protected areas which were listed in significant concern list? Sundarbans, then the Manas and the Western Ghats. Sundarbans, Manas and Western Ghats. Sundarbans, Manas and Western Ghats. Sundarbans, Manas and Western Ghats. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. Is this clear, guys? Sundarbans, Manas and Western Ghats, significant concern. They are protected areas with significant concern. Guys, can anybody tell me where is Manas? Manas is in Assam. It is a trans-boundary protected area which is shared with Bhutan and Assam in India. Bhutan and Assam in India. Guys, Manas is known for which animal? Can anybody tell me? Why is Manas important? Can anybody tell me which is the endemic species which is found in Manas? Can anybody tell me which is that endemic species which is found in Manas? Okay. Yes, someone is saying one-horned rhino. Yes. But apart from rhino, guys, pygmy hog. Okay, remember guys, pygmy hog and golden langur. Okay, golden langur. Okay, pygmy hog is very, very important, guys. Definitely high chances you may expect question on pygmy hawk. You may expect question on pygmy hawk. This is very, 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 very important. Guys, can you tell me what is the IUCN status of pygmy hog? What is the IUCN status of pygmy hawk? Can anybody tell me, guys? This is very, very, very important. You know, guys, there was a time when pygmy hog was about to get extinct, guys, but now it has come back because of various breeding programs. Guys, pygmy hog is critically endangered. Pygmy hog is critically endangered, guys. Whenever any species is critically endangered, this becomes a very, very important topic for the prelims examination. So next time you get a question, pygmy hog is found where? Can you name the national park now? Can you name the national park now? It is what? Okay, Manas. It is what? Manas. It is what? Manas. Okay. Next protected area in the concern list was the Sundarbans. Guys, Sundarbans are also a trans-boundary protected area which is shared with Bangladesh. Which is shared with Bangladesh. Guys, Sundarbans are one of the most important mangroves area in the world. And guys, Sundarbans are known for various animals such as, okay, it is known for what? Sundarbans, which animals? Tigers. Okay, we have the Royal Bengal tiger. Then the saltwater crocodiles. Saltwater crocodiles. This is very, very important, guys. You may get a question on saltwater crocodile and fishing cats. Okay, fishing cats. Okay, so you may expect a question on this. Okay, let us move on to the next topic, guys. IUCN red list. IUCN red list has got updated. Okay, there are some other protected areas also. I am not discussing them because, okay, there are like 4 more. Good with concern. Okay, some protected area are good with concern. What are the good with concern? Keeladeo National Park, Kaziranga National Park, okay, Great Himalayan National Park, and Nanda Devi and Valley of Parks National Park. Okay, so these are the 4 parks. These are the 4 national parks which have been recognized at good with concern. Good with concern. Guys, Keoladeo National Park is very important. Okay, Ramsar sites, Keoladeo National Park. Guys, it is in Rajasthan. It is very, very important. Okay, migratory birds like Siberian crane visit Keoladeo National Park. It is also called Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Guys, Kaziranga is also in the good with concern list. Kaziranga. Kaziranga is known for the largest one-horn rhino population. Then we have the Great Himalayan National Park. It is in Himachal Pradesh. It is known for snow leopard. Okay, and then we have the Nanda Devi Valley of Flower National Park. It is known for alpine vegetation. Alpine vegetation. Okay, guys. And guys, there is also one national park which is good category. Good category is what? Kanchenjunga National Park. Kanchenjunga National Park. Guys, Kanchenjunga National Park is known for which species? Can anybody tell me? Why is Kanchenjunga National Park is important? Guys, it is Sikkim. It is Sikkim, guys. Why it is important? Because it is a mixed heritage site. It is a mixed heritage site. It is known for red pandas. They are known for red pandas. They are mixed heritage site. Guys, mixed heritage site. They are known for cultural value and they are also known for natural value. Kanchenjunga can be coming, guys, in the exam. Very, very important. Kanchenjunga. Okay. Moving on, guys, IUCN Red List has updated, and four Indian birds, their threatened status they have increased. They have increased the threatened status of four birds in India. What are the names of these birds? Okay, we have the Indian courser, we have the Indian courser, we have the Indian roller, we have the Indian roller, then we have the roft-tailed lark, then we have the roft-tailed lark, then we have the roft-tailed lark. Okay, so these are basically now near threatened. From least concern, now they are near threatened. Okay, near threatened. Which are these birds? Indian courser, Indian roller, and roft-tailed lark. Roft-tailed lark. And there is one bird now, it is in the endangered category. This bird is called long-billed grasshopper. Long-billed grasshopper. Long-billed grasshopper. Now it is in endangered category. It is in the endangered category, guys. Long-billed grasshopper. Okay. Also, guys, at the global level, one bird which has become extinct. What is the name of that bird? The name of the bird is slender bill curlew. Slender bill curlew. Slender bill curlew. Slender bill curlew. It got extinct. It got extinct. It got extinct. It got extinct. Guys, these are some of the very, very important news related to environment. Guys, you know that IUCN Red List, and whenever some species, their status is increased in the threatened list, they become very, very important. And guys, sometimes whenever there is one extinct species, and if it is in news, that also becomes very, very important. So slender-billed curlew, it is a bird, and this has got extinct. This has got extinct, guys. This has got extinct. Okay, guys. Let us move on to the next topic, guys. Next topic, 10 years of the Paris Agreement. 10 years of the Paris Agreement. Guys, Paris Agreement was basically a kind of a legally binding treaty. It's a legally binding treaty in 2015 at the COP21 Paris. At the COP21 Paris. At the COP21 Paris. This is very, very important, guys. Paris Agreement. 10 years of Paris Agreement. Guys, Paris Agreement is a legally binding, okay, treaty which is basically aimed at putting the temperature increase below 2 degrees Celsius. Below 2 degrees Celsius. Guys, remember, it's a legally binding, first legally binding treaty for carbon emission is the Paris Agreement. Guys, here all nations, both the developed world and the developing world countries, they have decided to reduce their emissions through NDC, Nationally Determined Contribution. NDC. Guys, NDC. Okay, every nation has to come out with NDC. It's a mandatory thing. However, the implementation of the NDCs is not legally binding, but every country has to come out with a voluntary NDC. NDC. It is mandatory for them to come out with voluntary reductions in the carbon emissions. NDC, Nationally Determined Contribution. This is updated how many years, guys? This is updated in how many years? Can anybody tell me? This is updated in how many years? Guys, what was the difference between the Kyoto Protocol and the Paris Agreement? Guys, Kyoto Protocol was for only the developed world. Kyoto Protocol was only for the developed world. That is why it failed. Paris Agreement, both the developed world and developing world, both are there. Paris Agreement, both the developed world and developing world, both are there. Yes, guys. The Paris Agreement NDCs have to be updated every 5 years. The cycle is for every 5 years. The cycle is for every 5 years. This is very, very important. You may expect a question on this. You may expect a question on this. This is very, very important. Guys, I am telling you today, guys, this is going to come next year prelims examination. Let me tell you, this question is going to come in the prelims examination. Definitely, guys. Definitely, guys. This is going to come in the prelims examination next year. Be prepared. Be prepared, guys. Under the Paris Agreement, guys, there are various provisions. Okay, one is Article 6, carbon credit trading. Carbon credit trading. Article 6. Okay, then there is enhanced transparency framework. Enhanced transparency framework. Then there is global stocktake. Global stocktake. Global stocktake. Article 14, global stocktake. Article 6, carbon market. Article 6, carbon market. Article 13, enhanced transparency framework. enhanced transparency framework, enhanced transparency framework. So guys, these things are very, very important for the prelims examination next year, guys. Next year, very, very important. Okay, guys. Next, guys, snow leopard are having the least genetic diversity. Snow leopards are having the least genetic diversity among all the big cats. Guys, snow leopards are found in India in the Himalayan regions. Okay, guys, snow leopards in India are generally found in, okay, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, and then Sikkim. Guys, very, very important. Ladakh has the largest number of snow leopards in India. Ladakh has largest number of snow leopards in India, guys. What is the status of snow leopard? What is the status of snow leopard, guys? Can anybody tell me? What is the IUCN status of snow leopard? Yes, Hemis National Park. Hemis National Park. Hemis National Park. Hemis National Park. Guys, snow leopard is vulnerable category. Snow leopard is vulnerable category. Snow leopard is vulnerable category. Very, very important. Guys, India has a plan called International Big Cat Alliance. Guys, big cats are very important theme. Multiple times question can come on big cats. Already UPSC has asked question on big cats. Big cats, guys, India has established International Big Cat Alliance in 2023. It is headquartered in New Delhi. It is headquartered in New Delhi. It is headquartered in New Delhi. Guys, very, very important. Very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Guys, till here everyone is with me, guys. Till here everyone is with me. Everyone, guys, are you following this? We have covered all the important environment related topics. We have covered all the important environment related topics. Today there was one more topic of environment, guys. Nilkurunji. Nilkurunji, guys. Which state in India? Okay, they have Nilkurunji, guys. Okay, a flower which blossoms every 12 years. Every 12 years, guys. Can anybody tell me? Flowers which blossom every 12 years. Nilkurunji. Nilkurunji. Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Kerala. Western Ghats. Nilkurunji. What is the place, guys? What is the place of the Nilkurunji blooming? Can anybody tell me what is the name of the place? Gudalur. 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 Okay, it's Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Guys, very, very important. Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Okay. Can you name some, okay, parks? Can you name some national park where this Nilkurunji blooming takes place? Can you name some national park, guys, where? Yes, Kurunji forest. Kurunji forest. Kurunji blooming. Kurunji blooming, guys. Kurunji blooming. Okay, Kurunji blooming. Erabikulam. Yes, Erabikulam National Park. Guys, Erabikulam National Park is known for what? Erabikulam National Park is known for what? Erabikulam National Park is known for which species, guys? Nilgiri Tahar. Nilgiri Tahar. Nilgiri Tahar. Very, very important, guys. Nilgiri Tahar. This is very, very important. It is kind of a most important protected area for, okay, Nilgiri Tahar, okay, is Erabikulam National Park. Very, very important. So, guys, this Kurunji flowering is happening in Gudalur. Okay, so go through that. This is, maybe it may be asked, guys. Let us now move on to the science and tech part, guys. Science and tech part. Okay, there were some topics in science and tech. First one was ORS. Guys, recently FSAI has passed an order that brands cannot market their product as ORS if they do not meet the WHO standards. If they do not meet WHO standards. Guys, ORS is basically used for dehydration. How you can make ORS at home, guys? Okay, salt, sugar and water. Salt, sugar and water. Salt, sugar and water. ORS. Okay, very, very important, guys. ORS. Very, very important. You may get a question on that. Next, guys. LCA Tejas flight, guys. Test flight. LCA Tejas. Guys, LCA Tejas. Is this clear, guys? LCA Tejas. LCA Tejas. Guys, LCA Tejas, recently there was a test flight of LCA Tejas. It is a 4.5 generation. It's a 4.5 generation aircraft. It's a multi-role aircraft of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Okay, it's an indigenously developed. Okay, 4.5 generation aircraft. It's a multi-role aircraft, guys. Very, very important. You may get a question on Tejas. Guys, another important topic which was in news from the defense is the, okay, BrahMos missile. Guys, BrahMos missile is what kind of missile? BrahMos missile. Recently, defense minister has said that India's BrahMos missile can reach any part of Pakistan. What is the type of BrahMos missile? Guys, BrahMos missile is a cruise missile. It's a supersonic cruise missile. It's a supersonic cruise missile. Guys, it's a supersonic cruise missile. Guys, there is a difference between ballistic missile and cruise missile. Ballistic missile and cruise missile, guys. Okay, BrahMos is a cruise missile and Agni is a ballistic missile. Okay, Agni is a ballistic missile. So you should know the difference between them. UPSC has already asked questions. This year definitely they will ask question on BrahMos. What is the range of BrahMos, guys? What is the range of BrahMos? Can anybody tell me? Range of BrahMos. BrahMos. I'm not asking Agni. I'm asking BrahMos. What is the range of BrahMos? Someone is saying Agni. Okay, 5,000 kilometers. That is Agni, guys. What is the range of BrahMos? Please look into, guys. Please look into what is the range of BrahMos missile. What is the range of BrahMos missile? Please look into. Next, guys. Okay, thalassemia disease was in news. Thalassemia disease was in news, guys. Okay, thalassemia is what kind of disease? Thalassemia is what kind of disease, guys? Thalassemia. It's a genetic disorder. You should know the names of all other genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia, thalassemia. Okay, so please do prepare list of genetic disorders. Please do prepare list of genetic disorders. Very, very important, guys. These diseases basically they attack the blood. Okay, blood. Okay, so go through the science behind this disease. Okay, this is very important. Next one, guys, Gaganyaan was in news. Gaganyaan is going to be India's first human space flight, where basically we are going to take Indian astronauts to the lower Earth orbit of 400 kilometers. Lower Earth orbit of 400 kilometers. Okay, so guys, Gaganyaan was in news. You may expect a question on Gaganyaan. Okay, so guys, till here we have discussed. Okay, okay, science and environment. Now we will discuss economy. I have only 2 topics for economy. So guys, this year's Nobel Prize in economics has been awarded for research into factors leading to sustained economic growth. Guys, there has been research done by some of the economists like Aghion, Howitt and Mokir. They have proved that scientific innovations, okay, are the reasons why there has been sustained economic growth in the last 200 years. Okay, and they have used one term which is called creative destruction. Creative destruction means whenever new innovation comes, there is a creative destruction. Means older means they get destroyed, and newer processes, newer innovations, they basically produce value and they lead to economic growth. The best example is, guys, artificial intelligence. Now it is coming. Every 10-20 years new technology will come and it will replace the older technology. Okay, in this, guys, many companies will get closed. That is called creative destruction. Okay, guys, so whenever new technology comes, old technologies dies and new technology basically, okay, wins. That is good for economic growth. And that is called what? creative destruction. For example, guys, today we use a mobile phone. How many of you use camera, guys? No one use camera. Mobile phone camera, we use mobile phone camera, yes or no? Guys, we use mobile phone cameras. Do we use cameras, big cameras? We used to use big cameras. Do we use that? Do we use that, guys? Tell me. Creative destruction, guys, creative destruction. Okay, so please do look into what is creative destruction. This is very important. Next, guys, in polity, okay, personality rights are in news, guys. Personality rights, guys. Does our constitution protects personality rights directly? Yes or no? Does our constitution protects personality rights? Yes or no? Directly. I'm talking about directly. Is personality rights mentioned in our constitution? No, it is not mentioned. It has been a derived right. It has been a derived right. From Article 21 we have derived, because Article 21 is right to privacy, and from right to privacy we have derived this. From right to privacy we have derived this Article 21. Okay, so guys, personality rights are also protected by legislations like the Copyright Act, So this is very important, guys. Personality rights, you may expect a question on that. Then Congress has decided to boycott the JPC of 138th constitutional amendment. Guys, JPC is an ad hoc committee. This is established for a purpose, for some fixed duration of time, and JPC, guys, members are not fixed. They are decided by the parliament. JPC, they are decided by the parliament. This is very important, guys. JPC has members from both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Their membership is decided by the parliament. Their membership is decided by the parliament. JPC is an ad hoc body. JPC is an ad hoc body. The membership is not fixed. The tenure is also not fixed. The mandate is also not fixed. It is everything decided by the parliament. It has members from both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Till now, guys, more than 5 JPCs have been established. Till now, more than 5 JPCs have been established. So, guys, JPC, you do look into it. Next, guys, RTI Act has completed 20 years. RTI Act has completed 20 years, guys. You know, RTI Act is one of the most important act, guys, which has brought transparency and accountability in governance. Guys, under the RTI Act, you can get information from the government. Okay, you can get information from the government within 30 days. Within 30 days, and if it is a life and death situation, then you can get information within 48 hours. Within 48 hours. Okay, so guys, there are various sections of the RTI Act, like section 4, which is about suo motu declaration. Section 4 is about suo motu declaration. And guys, section 8 is about exemptions. Section 8 is about exemptions. Recently, guys, the passing of data protection law. Okay, there was amendment to section 8 of the RTI Act. There was amendment to section 8 of the RTI Act. So guys, section 8 of the RTI Act, which gives exceptions for privacy, this becomes very important for the prelims examination. Guys, RTI Act is implemented by the State Information Commission and the Central Information Commission. Guys, both the Central Information Commission and the State Information Commissions are statutory bodies. However, guys, 2019 Act reduced the stature of these bodies by subjecting the tenure and the salaries of the CICs and ICs. Okay, so this is very important, guys. You can look into that. Next, guys, Gorkha land. Guys, Gorkha land demand is coming in from the Darjeeling in the West Bengal. Guys, Gorkha land. How new states are created? Can anybody tell me, guys? New states are created by which organization in India? Which authority, okay, under the constitution can create new states? Can anybody tell me? Okay, the parliament can create the new states under Article 3. The parliament can create the new states under Article 3 by the president's recommendation. Parliament has the authority. Remember, guys, parliament has the authority. Next topic, guys. Okay, Vital Stats Report 2023. Guys, using the civil registration system, using the civil registration system. Okay, vital stats report has been come out. Guys, vital stats report is brought out by the Registrar General of India under the Home Ministry. This basically has data regarding the birth rate, the death rate, the birth and death registration, the sex ratio, all this very very important. Vital stats report 2023. Guys, it is mandatory for you to, okay, register your birth and death. Okay, so hospitals, government hospitals, they mandatory have to register it. This is an important topic. You may get question on this topic, guys. This is an important topic. This is in news for the entire year. Okay, next, guys, in international relations, there were some topics you can expect question on them. Okay, so in international relations, I'll just briefly tell you which were the topics where you can expect question on international relation. So the most important international relation topic this week was the Pakistan-Afghanistan fight. Guys, Pakistan-Afghanistan were basically involved in some fight. Okay, so guys, you know, Pakistan-Afghanistan, the border is called the Durand line. Border is called what? Durand line. Guys, you know, recently Pakistan accused Afghanistan for supporting the Tehreek-e-Taliban. And this led to fight between Afghanistan and Pakistan. Afghanistan has completely denied any support to Tehreek-e-Taliban. Okay, guys. So there was a brief fight between Afghanistan and Pakistan. So this makes this entire region very very important. Guys, Pakistan Baluchistan region, and in Afghanistan we have one region, Paktika region, and guys, Khyber Pakhtunwala. Guys, these regions are very very important, guys. Gilgit Baltistan, Khyber Pakhtun and the Baluchistan. And from the Afghanistan region, Paktika province, very very important, guys. You may expect a question on this. Durand line. This is very very important, guys, very very important. Next, moving on to the next topic, guys. America and Venezuela, they are involved in some kind of conflict over the drugs. Okay, over the drugs. You know, guys, Donald Trump is attacking some of the boats which is suspected of being used for drug smuggling, okay, off the coast of Venezuela, guys. So guys, Venezuela is one of the most important countries in South America because Venezuela has the largest crude oil reserves in the world, one of the largest crude oil reserves in the world. So guys, Caribbean Sea, they may ask question, which are the bordering countries of Caribbean Sea? Guys? Venezuela, okay, Venezuela is one of the bordering countries of Caribbean Sea. They may also ask, what are the bordering countries of Venezuela? Bordering countries of Venezuela is what? Brazil, okay, Colombia and Caribbean Sea. Guys, you may get question on bordering countries of Caribbean Sea. We have Guatemala, we have Honduras. Okay, so many countries are there, guys. Please do prepare. Okay, please do prepare Caribbean Sea. This is very very important, guys. Caribbean Sea. Okay, moving on to the next topic, guys. Which grouping in the world recently they have decided to come out with a drone wall? Can anybody tell me, guys, which grouping in the world has decided to come out with a drone wall? They are building a drone wall, guys. Which organization has come out with a drone wall? Guys, you know, guys, these days drones are used for attacking, guys. So one organization, one grouping has come out with a drone wall, that is called European Union, guys. Drone wall, European Union, guys. UPSC favorite theme is EU. UPSC's favorite theme is EU. So whenever, guys, okay, some steps are taken by EU, UPSC question setters definitely ask a question. So guys, this drone wall initiative, recently what happened, guys, many drones, okay, they entered from the Russia side into the NATO countries, guys. So the EU has decided to come out with a drone wall. Okay, next topic, guys. IMEC, IMEC corridor, guys. IMEC corridor, guys. This was in news. You know, guys, IMEC corridor will go from Mumbai till the Europe. From Mumbai till the Europe, guys. This IMEC corridor will connect the India, Middle East, and Europe. India, Middle East, and Europe. So in India, we have 2-3 ports like the Kandla port, Mundra port, Mumbai port, and then we have the Jebel Ali port. Then we have the kind of Haifa port, and then we have the European ports. European ports, guys, very, very important. IMEC. Can you name some of the European ports? Can you name some of the European ports which are part of IMEC? Okay, can anybody name some of the European ports which are part of IMEC, guys? Piraeus in Greece. Piraeus in Greece. Marseilles in France. Marseilles in France. Okay, Messina, Piraeus, Messina, Piraeus, Marseilles. Okay, these are very, very important, guys. These are very, very important. Okay, then, guys, recently there was a peace agreement signed between some countries on the Gaza issue. On the Gaza issue, guys, this peace agreement was signed in Sharm el Sheikh. Sharm el Sheikh, guys. Can anybody tell me where is Sharm el Sheikh? Where is Sharm el Sheikh, guys? It is in Egypt. It is in Egypt. It is known as a Gaza Summit, guys. Gaza Summit, where there was a peace agreement between the Israel and Hamas. Between the Israel and Hamas, guys. Sharm el Sheikh, it becomes very, very important, guys. It is on the Red Sea. It is on the Red Sea, guys. Very, very important. Very, very important, guys. Sharm el Sheikh. Okay, Sharm el Sheikh. Okay. So, guys, even Gaza we have already discussed in the previous sessions. So I don't think this is important. Okay, we have discussed many times. Yellow line. Okay, Tokram cross. Rafah crossing, Erez crossing. Okay, lot of crossings also we have discussed. So you can go through which are the countries which are part of this peace agreement. I think that is more than enough for today. Guys, I would like to wish every one of you happy Diwali, guys. Happy Diwali. Okay. Please work very hard and make your Diwali. Like next Diwali, you have to celebrate in the Labasna. Okay, that kind of dream we should have. Next Diwali, we will celebrate in Labasna. That kind of firm belief, motivation you should have. And give your best, guys. Give your best. Let me tell you, if you work really very hard and if you continuously improve yourself, no one can stop you from getting selected in this exam. With this, guys, best of luck. Bye-bye. Take care.